our lesson name? Our lesson name is My Family. In this lesson, we learn about whose family? Amy's family. Now, you nicely understand. Now, tell me member of Amy's family. Okay, family member. We will check. Okay, you understand or not understand? Think. Anybody can tell? Think about Amy's family. Yes, you can give me answer. Okay, I will give you. Correct. Huh? Now, Amy's family, so many members are there. Now, think and tell me. Yeah, first is Amy, his baby brother. Then she have two pet animal, uh, cat and dog. Okay, then after father, mother, grandparents, cousin, brother and sister and friends, and then uncle, aunt and driver and helper woman is, her name is Zina. Okay, so many members are living in her family. Means her family is a big family or a small family? Tell me now. Her family is a small family. Correct? Correct? No. Small family means parents and two children are called small family. But here so many people are living in her family. Correct? That's why Amy's family is a big family. Amy's family is a big family, and in her family all members get together when any festival will come. Okay, they are celebrating birthday, festivals and parties in Amy's family. Correct? Understand now? Now you understand this lesson properly. Now I would like to ask you some question and answer, because you have to write a question and answer also. Correct? Now look at the board. We will check. Question and answer. Lesson number 1. Okay. Question number first. Who is Amy's brother? Now, who is Amy's brother? Bob is Amy's brother. Who is Amy's brother? Bob is Amy's brother. Who is Amy's pet animal? Who is Amy's pet animals? Pet animals name is what? Cat and dog. And their name is what? Cutie and Dixie. Cat, Cutie and dog Dixies are pet animals. Okay. Question number 3. What is name of Amy's father? What is the name of Amy's father? Edward is Amy's father name. Correct. Edward is Amy's father name. Question number 5. What does Amy's father do? What does Amy's father do? He is a great football player. What? He is a great football player. Question number 6. What is Amy's mother name? What is Amy's mother name? Isabelle. Okay. Amy's mother name is Isabelle. Question number 7. What does Amy's mother do? She is a housewife. She is a housewife. Question number 8. Who are Amy's grandparents? Who are Amy's grandparents? Answer is what? John and Kate are grandparents. Whose? Amy's. Question number 9. Who are Amy's cousin? Who are Amy's cousin? Lena, Mona and Nancy are Amy's cousin. Question number 10. Who are Amy's friends? Who are Amy's friends? Answer. Oliver, Pinky and Quincy are Amy's friends. Oliver, Pinky and Quincy are Amy's friends. After this question and answer, we will solve different types of exercise. Okay. See now, we will enjoy question and answer. Let's answer. This is our first task. In that, objective types questions are there. Okay. First, we will check A. Put a tick for the sentence that are correct. here you have to read the sentence properly, understand it, and that sentence is correct or wrong, you have to check and decide. And if this sentence is correct, then you have to use this mark, and if sentence is wrong, that time you have to put wrong sign. Okay, see now. Bob is Amy's sister. This sentence is correct. Correct? Yes, tell me. No, this sentence is wrong. Why? Because Bob is Amy's brother, not sister. That's why this sentence is wrong. Second, Dixie is a dog. Dixie is a dog. Amy's pet dog name is what? Dixie. That's why this sentence is correct. Correct. Third, the family like to celebrate festival together. Yeah, Amy's family celebrate all festivals together. This sentence also correct. Fourth, Amy's father is pilot. Yeah, this is a wrong. Amy's father is a great football player. That's why here you put sign of the wrong. Fifth, Amy's mother is housewife. She is taking care of whole house. Correct. Amy's mother is housewife. That's why you have to put this sign here. Correct. Now you understand this? Correct. See now B. Choose the correct word from the option given. Means you have to choose the correct word and fill in the blanks. This is very easy. Okay. First, Amy has dash dash cousin. How many cousins she have? Now cousin's name, tell me anybody. You remember something? Yeah, correct. Mona, Nancy and Lena. These are cousin sister. How many are there? 3. Then here what we will write? 3. Cutie, second. Cutie is a dash dash. Cutie is a dog or cat? Yeah, correct. Cutie is a cat name. Third, Uncle Ross is a, and will not come. Uncle Ross is a dash dash engineer, sports teacher. Yeah, he is a sport teacher. Correct. Fourth, a person who helps us with household chores is a dash dash. Yes, house help. What we will say? House help. In Amy's house, who is the house help? Her name is Zinat. Correct? See, then after we will see. Oral discussion. You have to give me answer in oral. First, by looking at Amy's family pictures, identify the eldest and the youngest member in her family. Yes, means who is the youngest member in Amy's family? Very small boy name is what? Tell me. Yes, that boy name is Bob. He is the very youngest member in her family. And who is the eldest member in her family? Means in her family, biggest person is who? Yes, correct. Grandfather and grandmother. Their grandfather, grandparents. Correct. Now question number 2. Name Amy's grandfather and grandmother name. Now grandfather name is what? Tell me. Joy. And grandmother name is what? Kate. Correct. Answer the following questions. This question and answer easy for you because you understand the lesson. That's why you will give the first answer. Question number 1. What does Amy's father do? Amy's father is a great football player. Okay. Second, what does Amy's mother do? Now, what does Amy's mother do? Amy's mother is housewife. Correct. Third, who are Amy's friends? Now tell me Amy's friend's name. Yes, you understand, you know, you remember. First is Oliver. Second is Pinky. And third is Quincy. Now HOTS. HOTS means higher order thinking skill. Means you have to think and give the answer. First we will read the question. Do you like a big family or small family? Give 2 reasons for your choice. Okay, means if you like big family, then why? You have to tell me. If you like small family, why? You have to give me 2 reasons why you like small family. Okay, now big family means what? Big family means father, mother and their 4 children are called big family. Or small family means what? Small family means only father, mother and 2 children are called small family. Understand? Amy's family is a big family. Okay, that's why she like big family, and she explain also nicely. Same way you have to explain your family. What about your family? Let's listen. Now this is our jolly phonic session is there. Means here our jolly phonic will be start. Each and every lesson we will learn about jolly phonics. See now. Read aloud the word given below and listen to the long and short vowel sounds for the letter I. Then circle the words with the short vowel sound I, as in kit. K-I-T. K sound is K. I sound is I. T sound is T. Kit. Now, how many vowels are there? Yes, correct. 5 vowels are there. Which are they? A, E, I, O, U. Correct. 5 vowels are there and 10 sounds are there. Means A have one short sound and one long sound. E also have one short sound and long sound. Is this a way? A, E, I, O, U have 10 sounds. Okay, now in this box we have to identify about the sound. Which sound is the short, we have to circle it, and which word sound is a long sound, we have to not circle it. Okay, now I sound is what? E. I sound is what? E. But sometime this sound will be changed, maybe not E. Okay, for example, is, is, is. But see here, ICE, ice. Here sound change. ICE, ice. This is a long sound. Okay, that's why this one short sound. THIS, this. This is also short sound. SING, sing, ing, short sound. RING, ring, short sound. See, IRON, iron. This is a long sound. Okay. LINK, link, ink, link. LIKE, ik, like, short sound. SINK, sink, ink, short sound. MIS, miss. This is also short sound. DRINK, ink, drink. This is also short sound. FISH, fish. This is also short sound. SIT, sit. This is also short sound. BIN, bin. In, bin. Okay. LIGHT, light. This is a long sound. HIS, his. This is also short sound. KING, king. This is also short sound. PINK, pink. Pink, pink. Short sound. KITE, kite. This is a long sound. LIP, lip. This is a short sound. Now you understand sounds. That's why you have to learn vowel song. Then we will understand about the sound. We will learn about let's speak. Let's speak means here you have to speak out. Open speaking. Then after let's speak. Okay, let's speak means here openly you have to talk with me, talk your parents, talk with your friends. Okay, now see here. Shown below is a basket with many things in it. How many of things in the basket do you like? Okay, you have to choose the things if you like. Check what Amy say about her likings. Now Amy is telling to us about her liking, means what she like in from this basket. Okay, now she is telling to you, I like the cookies and the bananas. She like cookies and bananas. Now you have to write here, I like the grapes and apples. You can write here whatever you like. Pencils, you can mention here pencil. I like pencils and cookies. Okay, is this a way you have to write here and speak also. Now see here, did you know? This is a GK column. Means here you will get GK information. What is there? See, we will check. May 5th is celebrated as the International Family Day. Means 5th May we have to celebrate International Family Day. Okay. Let's speak after. Let's write. Now you have to write your own. And that is very easy. Huh? Don't worry. We all want to know about your family. Okay, means we know about your family. You have to tell me about your family few sentences. Use the words given in the box to write the sentence about your family. This work is very easy for you. We all want to know about your family. Use the words given in the box to write 3 sentences about your family. Now you have to mention here only 3 sentences about your family. You have to give information, and this work is very easy for you because they given already helping words here. Okay, help of this word you have to make the sentence. Okay, for example I will show you. Okay, but you don't copy this sentence, you write your own sentence. Now first sentence I will make. I like my family. Okay, this is the first sentence. Second is what? I live with my family. Okay, I take care of my pet dog. Okay, I eat fruits with my sister. I play with my brother. Is this a way you can make many sentences? Okay, but you should start writing now. Okay, then see, next is let's build grammar. From here your grammar part will be start. Okay, now here first is what? Alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means how many alphabets are there? There are 26 alphabets are there, correct? A to Z, correct? Means you have to arrange the word alphabetical order. Okay, See now, arrange the following word in alphabetical order in the blanks provided below. The first one has been done for you. Means they already complete first word. See now, first we will read the words and then we will arrange them alphabetically order. Same way I done in our first previous video. You watch that also. Now see, box, gate, egg, lamp, parrot, camel, nest, watch, pin, table, axe, yak, rabbit, snow, frog. Okay, the many words are there. We have to arrange to them alphabetical. A for X, and here see B for box. B for box. Then C for, is there? Yes, is there, camel. CAMEL, camel. E for egg. F for, here it is, frog. And frog. F. G for, see, gate is there. G for gate. And L for lamp. Here it is. N for nest. Here it is. P for parrot. And see, Q for queen. R for rabbit. Where it is? Check it fast. Here it is. Okay. S for snow. And T for table. Where it is table? Check it, here it is. W for watch. See here. And Y for yak. This is a alphabetical order. We arrange all words in alphabetical order. And our next topic is in grammar, noun. This is noun. But we will learn noun in next video. Okay. Now you have to learn this question and answer and learn properly and do your homework.
Ping pong.
Ladies and gentlemen, attention please! The Vowel Family!
I'm A, I can say I'm A, cat, nut, hat and pet.
I'm E, I can say I'm E, met, vet, pet and wet.
I can say E. I'm pig, pig, wig and pig.
Ha ha ha! Come on everyone, let's give the Vowel Family a big hand! I can say